Ain't no secret. Should do Eddie Kane Jr. Like, share, subscribe. If you subscribe to me, leave a comment down the video so I can sub back to you. Deuce.
You know.
Yeah, I lost some shit. Hey, wow, they don't know I be beating your ass. You hear me?
Yeah,
They don't think I be beating
me,
your ass for real.
I can't fight. Oh, I just told you stop saying that, bro. What's you? I ain't sound like a little mama. Rip you out the plastic. You acting brand new.
See you, folks.
All right, blood.
That shit hard.
So that's a female song. Has them hate on her something. You sound like a thought, gang. You sound like a thought. I'm gonna rip you out the plastic, bro. What's to you? All right.
I don't even know what that means.
What you on?
In the hole, folks.
Blocks, what you on?
Hey, twin. Motherfucker, knock twin ass out.
What you on, low down? What you on, Glock?
Yeah. Hey, Glock, rip me out the plastic. Bitch, I'm acting brand new. I ain't smoking on no job.
Hey, no one's on that with no shirt off, folks.
He lost.
My shirt off. Oh, Bucky.
I just told him that.
Hey,
he lost that way. He want to have his shirt off.
Gang them in the building.
Saying like a dick. He say, "Rip him out the condom." He looking. He acting brand new.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what they should know.
That's a little mama.
You was finna say the G word, folks. They gonna cancel your bitch ass.
They ain't gonna cancel.
Hey, look, that boy Doodie Low getting big on 40.
You gotta keep going.
Yeah.
You gotta go to the crib, wop and do push-ups.
Hey, look, I'm gonna tell y'all a story.
Hold on,
let me tell them a story.
Hey, add my dog, Doodie. Fake Luciano.
Who your dog? He got what's his name? I can't read. Hey, look, I gotta tell y'all a story. Look, one day I'm at the studio with this nigga Zoo, right? So the nigga tweaking with me. Oh, damn. So I'm thinking he's just playing. We always tweaking one night. So I walk out the back door. The nigga come behind me with his face.
Hey, what I tell you about? What I tell you about speak this on live?
The nigga just.
Bro, stop putting the business out there for I tell him how I be balling your ass up.
Hey, I know.
Hey, Glock, the nigga tried to snake me.
It's two motherfuckers.
Hey, Glock. Hey, Glock. I told him my tactics, folks. He only know my tactics for real when I'm in the county. Man.
Okay.
No, I ain't.
You already told me.
I ain't talking about the max out. I ain't talking about the max out. Yeah, pipe motherfucker all the way down. Look, man, I ain't even on that. Quick, yeah. You gotta make a motherfucker think. You gotta make a motherfucker think you're ducking and shit.
Hey, Doodie Low.
Hey,
Bitch, I'm ready to call Nev.
Hey, Skid, why Skid that, folks? You from the rack, gang. You supposed to be Skid one of the guys, folks.
My Glock got big as hell. Shut up, bitch. You don't need no me.
You better see all that pints you be drinking. I'm going to send Zoo to rehab, folks. They try to say me to rehab.
Hey, what you put on Father's Day? I saw you.
Hey, low down. He's about to call Doodie Low. Hey, Doodie Low.
Hey, I popped that when you crashed by the op, folks. You ready?
Oh, folks, yeah, man. I got a bump to tell y'all, man. We got to do some shit. Guys, go see the rack up. Shit.
Well, you coming to the A, folks?
I'll come down there just because. Hey, look. Hey, Memphis comedians have been trying us too, gang. We got to set something up on the comedian side. You didn't?
Who comedians in Memphis? Who is them?
Memphis comedians. They think they got it on the bacon of motherfucker in the comedian side. You hear me?
Oh.
I'm gonna set it up. Don't worry about it.
I need you.
They do get on the comedian side, shit.
No. Look, ain't no motherfucker fucking with the rack, blood. You hear me?
No.
That nigga Glock a fucking comedian, man.
No, these niggas is
comedian.
Huh?
That's what I was trying to see, Lo. You hear me?
I'm the nigga who sit in the audience and that's laugh.
Kimbo, you got a girlfriend.
I'm the nigga sit in the audience and that's laugh.
No. Oh, I had told Don Terrio. I already told Don Terrio.
Stop cheating on your girl, bro. Your ass bogus. Hey, this nigga was in my baby mama deal. Nah, I just swear.
Hey, look, don't get on my live on all that tender shit, blood. I told you that, yeah.
Cause you know
we ain't doing no tenderonis.
Chicken
My
Now
shit,
this
this bitch
your
busting,
vibe. Get your bitch ass on, dude.
Just 2 months ago. Just 2 months ago, you wouldn't have said that. Yeah.
Who, me? Rip me out the plastic, bitch. I'm back in brand new.
What made you just say in your head? You just said, fuck it.
Hey, Skin, get on his ass about that vein he got on top of his shit. You hear me?
On my kids. Look, folks, I ain't know nobody got vein right there.
Got a real vein coming between this shit right here.
No, go on up. Turn your head. Turn your head,
below. I used to shoot hair around in my shit.
Right there.
Now put it down. No.
Oh, he said he finna put some. He said he finna put a line of lane in that motherfucker.
That's what he been doing. Hey, Bunky, I want.
Oh, man, ain't doing on the house
Bunky,
right
I
there.
want to get in the hand.
Popped out the cut on their head.
Yeah, I'm in the
What you
I'm
want,
gonna do some shit with them motherfuckers that got lost in that submarine.
Hey,
I know you finna lose your shit. You hear me?
Hey, Skip, bitch.
Hey, Doodie, you say hey, low down. So you getting up with the Navy SEAL? You want to go find your bitch up? They tweaking. Somebody came up missing. Missing well. You better come get these badass kids.
Hey, y'all seen dude jump out that off that cruise ship, off that cruise ship, off that ship.
See, here you go. What cruise? Titanic.
SKINBONE, why you ain't find them niggas, man?
Yeah. Fuck you at Chick.
Yeah, Mr. Good. Nah.
What?
I'm at Dollar General, you hear me?
Slut, what you on, Slutty?
Oh, phone up.
Damn, I ain't so slutty in so damn long.
I don't give a fuck how rich I am, folks. On phone up.
Rich ball head shit.
Where you been at,
Yeah,
Slutty?
Family Dollar in the lamb truck.
He said the lamb truck.
Yo, say that, man.
Yeah, you know he lost 20 pounds. He think he's swole now.
I lost 27 pounds, nigga.
Man.